Best foods to control blood pressure. High blood pressure can be fatal because it is a major cause of stroke, diabetes, and heart disease, so it is very important to control it. To control blood pressure, people use various methods and medicines. However, here we will tell you about some foods that can play an important role in keeping our blood pressure normal. These foods include vegetables, pulses, and other fruits. Beetroot and its juice. After only 3 minutes of drinking beetroot juice, the heart is strong and its continuous consumption can reduce the blood pressure by 10 to 20 units. Green leafy vegetables. Nitrates are high in green leafy foods, so a plate of salad can be an effective medicine against blood pressure. The presence of nitrates in food not only keeps blood pressure under control but also protects people from many heart diseases. Lives. Beans and pulses. According to a study, if 55 to 70 grams of beans and pulses are eaten daily, the risk of high blood pressure is eliminated for a long time. Even the blood pressure is reduced by 43%. Therefore, if it is said that beans and lentils are magic foods, there is no mistaking it. Both of these superfoods are loaded with protein, fiber, potassium, and other important nutrients. Cashews and pistachios. A priceless gift of nature, tasty pistachios also keep blood pressure under control. Eating pistachios sparingly can reduce blood pressure readings by 2 to 3 points. Pistachios and other nuts are rich in magnesium, fat, fiber, and polyphenols. Nutritionists also advise to grind pistachios and sprinkle them on yogurt. On the other hand, the fatty acids in cashews can reduce blood pressure by up to 3 points. According to research, it is rich in arginine, which is converted into nitric oxide in the body and then plays an important role in the dilation and contraction of blood vessels. Green tea. According to a report published in the British Journal of Nutrition, green tea can be very useful for lowering blood pressure. The flavonoids and other useful components added to the blood not only strengthen the heart and mind but also reduce blood pressure. Plenty of water. Water, which is nature's great gift, plays an important role in keeping blood pressure normal. According to a report published in the journal Nutrients, drinking a total of 550 milliliters more water day and night in just 12 weeks, blood pressure will decrease. If you like our video, then please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel so that our videos like this continue to reach you. Goodbye.